type in your browser www.goelite.org. The goelite.org website opens up immediately. If you haven't signed up yet, press the button Sign up for free. You can choose between different login types. Create an account and log in with username and password. Or simply use your existing Facebook or LinkedIn account. When you enter the private area, you can edit your profile, see your value on the job market, get useful career tips to improve your value on the job market, and finally land the job of your dreams. To start with, you can import your profile from Facebook, LinkedIn, or load it from a PDF file. Select the PDF file and press the button Start Synchronization. As you can see, your personal information is already filled in. For every input field, you get useful tooltips. To edit the data, click into the text field and type, or use the autocomplete function, which enables you a quick editing of your profile. If you are satisfied with the result, save your profile. The import function already added much more data. Besides your personal information, also your study periods are already filled in. In the tab School Periods, you can edit the schools you attended. Fill in your work experience in the tab Professional Experience. If you have any further qualifications, click on the tab Additional Qualifications. For publications or awards, please fill in the data into the respective tabs. For your language skills, use the tab Languages. In the meantime, a default cover letter with your personal information has been generated for you automatically. You can edit it by clicking into the text area and typing all your details inside. Typos are marked as you type. If you like, you can add a video to your cover letter. And you can generate a PDF of your CV without any effort for layouting. Now it's time to land the job of your dreams. On the right side, you can see all open positions which match your profile. There seems to be a job which perfectly matches your profile. Click on it, see the details, and prepare an application. The goelite.org application wizard helps you writing a perfect application for your favorite job opening. Your cover letter has already been loaded. You can edit it if you like. Finally, review all your application data before sending your application. When you're finished, let's send the application. You can see an overview and the current state of your application in the user interface. Now lean back and wait for the positive response.